After a crazy year of travel, starting a new career and learning a new sport, we decided to head up to sunny Queensland, Australia for Christmas to spend some much needed R&R time with family. We were missing our little family back home, so what better way to fill the void than visiting the Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World. Located approximately 40 minutes from the Sunshine Coast by car, the gardens are open 364 days in the year, making it an accessible and fun location for all families. It is relatively close to the Australia Zoo as well, so if you want to make a day trip out of both places, you can. Alright, we just made it to Maleny Garden. It's called Botanic Gardens and Bird World. So it's tickets to get in just to the normal Garden World thing is like $22, but to get access to the Bird World is $42 in total. Because I think they actually do guided tours in the bird world. I'm sure the parrots are quite tricksy. So they do walkthroughs of the bird world every 30 minutes. So we'll just see. It doesn't look like it's too busy, which is good. Alright, we just got some farm feed, which is $4 a bag. And this is the Bird World and Botanic Gardens. So I think it's out this way that we go. So we got our tickets to go in at 11, 5 of us. So good, super excited. Oh, I'm so excited, I can hear them all. We're just waiting out the front, about to go in for the 11 AM showing. Got some little babies here, sleeping. Got Macaws here as well, so I guess you see them last. I see another Alexandrine up there. Is that a female? It is.
Yeah.
So we've got two males here just chilling out. Those Macaws are loud. Yeah. Not something that we want.
This includes earrings, necklaces, watches, hearing aids, hair accessories, and...
Oh, okay, fine. No pick, no pick, no pick. Yeah, come, picture. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
So this is a non-interactive aviary. Basically, they just leave the birds be, and if they land on you, they land on you, but most of the time they're not going to really land on you and interact. So you just kind of leave them be.
Bandit is a mustache parrot. They're found in India and Nepal. So he is a male, and then his female breeder has a black beak. So that's how you can tell them
Hello.
Look at them all! Babies everywhere. So we are in the next aviary. We've got cockatoos, galahs. I can see beautiful black cockatoos. Got some cockatiels. What else do we have? Lots of cockatiels. Rosellas, eclectus. Oh my god. I'm actually in heaven. Look at you! Oh my lord!
So Harlequin here is a female yellow-tailed black cockatoo. We do have another female over there and then one male. These are more likely the ones that you'll see around the Sunshine Coast area. And the one way you distinguish males and females is that males have a darker red ring around their eye. Now one of my favourite species are the red-tailed black cockatoos. So we've got a male in beautiful display over in the corner there.
The red-tailed down.
Oh,
The
beautiful.
male. Isn't he gorgeous?
Yeah.
I just touched his tail.
You were the first person to read for. Just like you. Hello?
Xavier. Hello.
How cool.
Gorgeous. He knows you. He knows bird people.
Your dream has come true.
Hi, let me read. I can die happy now. He's smiling too, you know. He's really happy. He's gorgeous. Can we go for a walk? Oh, he's gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous? Bird enclosure, and this one we've got heaps of macaws, eclectus, we've got a pair. We've also got an African grey, my favourite bird ever. Big peacock at the front that loves to peacock, and just a whole bunch of beautiful birds.
Hello.
Taking a liking to you, yeah. If anyone wants to know Peacock's name, his name is Kenneth. Yes, that's right. So like I said, they're not usually on tours, so I'm like, how do you guys work with me?
You've got no one up there.
Oh, it's a pair. They have Alex's. Look at them. Hi guys. Hi. And a beautiful African grey. Hello. Yeah. And look at all these ones sleeping in a tree. These are all males. They are. That's what much is going to look like.
I know, you just want to get in with everybody else, don't you? So, causes trouble, does he? So you a problem, are you?
We're about to head into the Macaw cage, Aviary, and the lady was just explaining how they're probably the worst pet to have, which I definitely agree with. It's like having a 4-year-old for the rest of your life for 80 years. But super excited to see them up close and personal. Oh, that's a big boy. We've got these beautiful blue and golds. Oh, they love you, puppy. Hello. The ring necks. Look at all the blue and golds over there. So this is a massive area for them. So we're just about to walk past 2 macaws that are nesting on the ground. Look at them. Yeah, stunning.
Is that okay up there?
Oh, not a problem.
Okay.
Hello. We just finished up in the aviary and it was beautiful. Thoughts?
Yeah. Oh, my favourite was definitely the black cockatoo.
Yes, black cockatoo landed on my head a couple of times. Then I had it on my shoulder and it just was going for a bit of a stroll. What was your favourite bird, Mum?
Yeah, probably a toss-up between the macaw and the black cockatoo.
Yep, macaw and the black cockatoo. What about you guys?
I think they're collectors.
They're collectors?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
So
cool
cool.
looking, aren't they?
They're so shiny and the colours are so vibrant.
They're very cheeky.
Very cheeky.
I'm gonna cop it and say I loved all of them. All of them were good.
I'm a fan.
I love all of the birds.
Like the birds were so cool.
But it was cool, and they had like different themes. Like obviously the first one was more like pigeons and doves and things like that, but as you progress the birds got bigger and more tame because they have rescues in there as well. But overall, definitely a highlight of the trip.
So cool.
Now we are en route to the farm area. We've got bags of feed and we got, yeah, I can smell them from here.
Is that a dog?
Ta-da!
No, the poopy.
Oh, look at him. Look at that little sheep.
Oh, what is...
Thank you, thank you. Alright, we are in the farm area. Look at these babies. I think they're very intelligent because they're...
Yeah.
They seem to know bag. They seem to know bag. They know what bag looks like.
You get yours too.
Look at them. Aren't they beautiful?
It's like I'm just at home. It's just like Samson. Look at these. Oh, I got foam.
Yeah.
I'm a big babies. No.
This is going to be my highlight, the chickens. Look at them. Chickens. Oh, look at this big baby. Hi! Look at you, you're so beautiful.
Let me take myself. How much?
Hello.
Let me take my camera in the bag first.
I think that would be wise.
Following you quickly.
I really want you.
Emma's the goat whisperer.
You are the goat lady.
Oh my god. Hold the bottom of the bag.
Lang as well. No, Lang, get it off him.
Lang has lost the bag.
Yeah, that's what they did with mine too.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, darling. Hello.
Oh, it's a donkey. Hello.
Look
Good
at
boy.
you.
Good donkey.
Oh, he just wants pats. Can I get a pat?
Oh, yeah. Good boy. Good donkey.
Hello, donkey.
They're so tiny. Look at that. Oh, look at this cutie.
Yeah.
Brush cut.
Oh, no.
Jamie.
Alright, we just finished up in the farm friends area and they went hard. So I think they know when the food is here because they can see those brown bags.
They fed themselves.
Yeah, just
Grabbed the bag.
ripped open the bag.
And they ate the bag.
I was tactical. I kept the bag up here.
They ate the bag.
Yeah, just turn the back.
Yeah, but one comes in and does a side attack. I kept lifting my dress.
Gotta be quick.
Like, where's the food?
But I think the highlight for me was probably, I don't know, the donkey was really cute. The donkey was really cute. What about you guys?
I really like the chickens.
The chicken?
Yeah.
Chickens.
The
What was your fave, Mum?
the black goat that kept on following us had adopted us.
Oh yeah, and there was this black goat that just kept jumping over the fences. Very cheeky. What about you guys? Favourite animal
I
in the
think they're
farm?
goats. They were so
goats.
cute.
Yeah.
Goats are so cool.
Even though they just like jumped all over us.
Yeah.
Definitely
Emma.
made their mark.
Yeah.
Went up
Made
my
the mark on
dress.
these.
Straight up my dress.
Yeah. Buy me dinner first, come on. And Emma got bit by the pig.
Oh yeah.
Got
Big
some-
chonker.
Oh, is it red? It's a bit
Yeah,
red.
it's a bit red.
He's a big
that's right.
chonky boy. So now we're just walking around, going for a bit of a stroll. That sun is
Butterfly plant.
fucking hot. And then we're just gonna go around. There's like a little waterfall down the bottom around there. So we're gonna go check that out and then potentially make a move. And there you have it. We spent the rest of our time there exploring the oriental, fairy and rose gardens, the various ponds and waterfalls, and the other burbs up in the feathered friends section. But the highlight was definitely the bird world and guided tour. Such a great environment for wild and rescue birds and parrots, and the staff there are super knowledgeable and friendly. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. But for now, keep exploring and stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.